Hi Fambam, yeah you know the name. T in the building, bringing all the flames. Same soul, two names, one vibe, we flow. Mahlako Tee, now you know. God's favorite, yeah, I said it with a smile. Real life magic, stay a little while. Vlogs and reviews, yeah we keep it real. Everyday moments with that golden feel. Hey, hey Fambam, welcome to the space. Good vibes only, yeah we set the pace. Into style, lifestyle, talk that's true. If you're here right now, I'm rocking with you. From wherever you're watching, come say hi. We grow, we connect, let the energy fly. No filters needed, we keep it 100. This journey together, yeah we run it. Simply Mahlako Tee, that's the wave. Real stylish, bold and brave. So sit back, vibe out, enjoy the view. Fambam forever, it's me and you.
Fambam, it's your girl T, aka Mahlako. Same soul, T names, one vibe, and definitely God's favorite. Welcome back to Simply Mahlako Tee, where vlogs and real reviews meet everyday magic. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button, follow, share, like, and definitely comment. Today it's a mini Temu haul. Come with me. So I have this pants that we will be trying on. I've been eyeing these pants for days. Finally they are here. So let's try the pants out and see if they suit me. I love them on the app. Okay, just gonna wear them on my I bought two by mistake, but if I love them, so it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, no, the jean inside is not doing what I needed to do, so 1 second. Got this blouse that matches the pants. As you know me, the queen of two pieces. So we're gonna wear this. But it's see-through. What's wrong with white and cream white? Always see-through. So I need a vest for those things. Yo, it doesn't stretch as I would have expected. This one does stretch. This one, it's not stretching. Oh my god. There we go. How do I look? How do I look? Here we are. Hello. Let's complete the look. Hello. How do I look? Does it give rich auntie vibes? Sure. Here is the back. Okay, turn around. Turn around. Okay, so. And I bought one black pen coming right away. Coming right up. Yeah, so stretchy pants as well. I wasn't expecting them to be stretchy. Love them though. Looks like they fit perfectly. So yeah. They have pockets. Oh, these are very small pockets to say the least, but they have pockets here. They have pocket. Can't open it. Oh. Is this a pocket or is this a pocket? Okay, they've got pockets. Very small pockets, I will say pockets. So let's try. I'm just wearing the same blouse because that's the only, you know. Sure, this is definitely leggings. But yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna wear this. Just sitting at home, going out. I think Saturdays. Going out for bowling, anything like that. Yeah. Okay, so I bought Temu shoes for the first time, so let's try them on. So I've got this ones. Ooh. Let's try them on. So I decided to try on another style that is not my regular style. Okay. Maroon out of all the colors. I think it's still a good color. Can wear it with anything. So this is my full outfit from Temu. Guys, do you like it? Do you like my outfit from Temu? Alright? Okay. See. The shoes. It's all about the shoes now. It's about the shoes. Okay, it's another pair of the shoes. Look like this, and this is the back. This is the side. Let's try them on. Okay. Sure. Yep. I'm falling. They seem to be a bit big. Yeah, what do you guys think? Feel like I'm falling here. Okay, so yeah, no, they look good, but I'm not a fan. I think the maroon ones were better than this. Sure. Okay, you guys, please do tell me what you think. So these are the shoes. You can see they are not stable. Maybe it's because they're a little bit bigger. I don't know if I should return them. Sure, will I get my refund? They're big. They're not stable. Okay, that's definitely that, and I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, and definitely if you enjoy the videos, please do comment and subscribe. See you on my next video. Love you. Bye.